I'm Andrea Dreesen, and I'm going to assume that we are both experiencing our very first pandemic and finding ourselves in this weird in-between time between the world we used to know and this new reality that's still unfolding. Are you wondering if there's something more beyond all these Zoom meetings, your, I'm sure great, sourdough recipe, and feelings of uncertainty and fear? I know I am. But with every bone in my body, I'm also sure that this bridge time holds the power of transformation. It can, if we let it, help us create more meaning and greater belonging. We can make sense out of all this disillusionment and uncertainty. So join us to explore these ideas. Steve Farber, best-selling author and speaker, and I are leading a conversation about Gracenotes on Thursday, September 24th at noon Pacific. Steve is the best-selling author of 4 books, including Love is Just Damn Good Business, which shows us how love is the foundation of great leadership. And I'm the catalyst behind the global Gracenotes movement. That's my term for eulogies for the living. Altogether, we're going to experience how Gracenotes forge a workplace and a world of greater appreciation, connection, mattering, and collaboration. You're going to come away feeling more grounded, more love, more capacity for how our collective care can fuel collective transformation. Oh, and it's free. So just look for the link wherever you're viewing this video. Steve and I hope to see you there.